Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Salesforce account using the easy method. This is a great way to open up your new corporate workspace on your setup so you can organize your client list and manage your team projects easily. Let's get into it. First, go to the free trial registration page. The first step is to open your main internet browser, head over to the company's official homepage, and locate the Sign Up button that lets you test out the system for free. Open your web browser, type the name of the software company into your search bar, click on their main website link, and press the button that says Start Free Trial. Wait for the screen to refresh completely and display the fresh, blank registration form with the empty white entry boxes. Because you cannot build a business workspace from the regular landing page, you have to open this specific registration screen so the system knows you are a brand new user who needs a fresh workspace. Without this step, you would just be looking at basic product descriptions instead of setting up your actual profile file. Next, fill out your personal business details. You need to click inside the empty boxes on your screen and type in your name, your job title, and your company contact details. Move your pointer to the text fields, type your first name and last name, enter your real business email address, and select your job role from the list. Fill out the remaining boxes by selecting your company's size from the drop-down options and picking your home country from the menu list. Because the platform builds a custom layout based on how big your business is and what kind of work you do. By entering these specific details, you help the system label your folders and set up your local currency settings correctly. It ensures your account fits your daily workplace needs perfectly right from the start. Next, agree to the terms and submit the form. Scroll down with your mouse wheel, click the tiny square checkbox to accept the user agreement rules, and click the large blue Start My Free Trial button. Wait patiently for the processing wheel to finish spinning on your screen until the page changes to tell you that an email is on the way. Because clicking the Submit button officially registers your email address inside the master computer bank. By confirming these settings, you tell the platform that you are a real person who wants to open a live workspace. It is the key step to getting the right output because the company cannot generate your private dashboard link until you submit this form. Next, check your inbox and set your password to unlock your workspace. The final step is to open your personal email account in a new window, click on the official verification link sent by the system, and choose a strong secret password to lock your account. Open your email box in a new window, click on the fresh message from the software company, click the Verify Account link, and type a brand new password into the secure choice boxes. Pick a secret word that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Type it a second time to confirm and click the final Save button. And that's it. To create a Salesforce account, you must first go to the free trial registration page on the main website. Then you fill out your personal business details into the empty boxes. Next, you check the box and click the button to submit your form. Finally, you open your inbox to click the verification link and set your password to unlock your workspace. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.